let's go to our main two topics. Number one, Professor Frimpong Boateng. Professor Frimpong Boateng held an interview yesterday. Now, in the interview that Professor Frimpong Boateng held, he sought to accuse NPP. And he said, sir, if NPP should vote for Bawumia, a friend train wreck. Now, Frimpong Boateng again said, sir, no Frimpong Boateng, as he stands now, he does not see himself as being part of NPP party. Those are the things Frimpong Boateng said yesterday. Now, Frimpong Boateng, Prof, you see, sometimes when it comes to people are more health set animal, more health set animal. When I want to talk about it, me bias kakra, because I know what it takes for someone to become a surgeon. I know what it takes for somebody to become a nurse, midwife, physiotherapist, and all. I know what it takes. And see, because of that idea or knowledge, when I'm talking about them. But what I say, Professor Frimpong Boateng, you are part of the reasons NPP lost 2024 election. Prof, you are part of the reasons NPP lost 2024 election. And see, when it comes to our defeat in 2024, some of you, we don't expect you to talk about NPP's defeat 2024. Opiti said Professor Frimpong Boateng, we don't expect you to talk. And now Professor Frimpong Boateng will report your so-called report that you leaked to the media. Was it not what NPP, NDC people use for propaganda? Was it not the report of who Professor Frimpong Boateng and NDC for their propaganda? How did that report get its way to the media? Prof, come and answer. The so-called report, who submitted to the president, a Banusana report found its way in the media. We know what some of the things people did. We know. And yet, Professor Frimpong Boateng report where Amuna. Yes, see, Akufo-Addo if ni fear wa chebi honum no, if ye nechinu one nechinu, galamse wo. And yet, Frimpong Boateng report them. When the media went to Chebi with drones, cameras, and all, no, na galamse wo Debi. Na galamse wo, but what we see ye MPP ni? What we see? You know what MPP stands for. You were able to sit down and write a report and say Akufo-Addo fie echi o chebi honum galamse. And NDC people, they did propaganda across villages. Our mind we say galamse aikosu no MPP for na galamse no omo nipa Professor Frimpong Boateng neka. You see, if the fish comes from the water to tell you say the crocodile is asleep, you have to believe it. Until when NDC people went to the villages to tell them, say, nipa Frimpong Boateng and nekano. Obekayeno. They had to believe. They had to believe. Ebusian 4, you can start sending your requests. I'm picking you very soon. Start sending your requests. This is my last but one. Start sending your requests. I'll pick you. And the Frimpong Boateng, Professor, keep quiet, keep quiet. You don't see yourself as part of MPP. Okay, move on. Move on. But don't come and attack Bawumia. Don't come and say MPP lost because of Bawumia. No. Bawumia natural report, no. Bawumia and natural report, no. We report who try, no. Bawumia natural, Frimpong Boateng, Prof. With all due respect to, but many leakers are reporting to media. But many can say Akufo-Addo fie echi honum no. Galamsey. But many guy. Please keep quiet.
I will explain to you why. I would explain to you why. Sami Jamfi a state-owned enterprise. Sometimes as we speak now, Bank of Ghana and the company Sikade ban what they are breno. Bank of Ghana send finance minister ne kabo no ma kwa jibi du abonte no mo de abana ya wan bi di amasami Jamfi ma na ye nadwuma amana koso. Now so just to cover Sami Jamfi ntino. Say yengu Bank of Ghana governor animu ase. Yengu atoforsen animu ase. Na Sami Jamfi na wonu peja ase eska no. Edema one aggregator bawa rock amen ne yakobo kano yam pepa omo ho son e kana yemu mienu Bank of Ghana so wo ma eska na de akudidwa na wetimi de bibia betimi de atua ne ka ukoya wo so ukoya no akobo ka sei wo se de bi kano we ya wo se de bi fakọ we so ene Sami Jamfi Bank of Ghana fo anyi se eska ne nto omo book so Bank of Ghana so say there be sika no won ye de ma wo se fe kodi dwenti sa hia eya wo na ese e bisa won ho nti no ye de ba wo book so that is where the tussle is right now. And in March onyame ya adoma omo de ade na ebeto na ha ade adentina na make us omo name document ya honorable upon kroma ni mukura document ya me akwesi apia mukura bi wa ha wan kasa so betumi atwe bie ye frano Bank of Ghana financial statement, annual report, and financial statement. You will in PDF form. Google abehu. The one can say me tro. Be a course to be a samoya day, more recordo. Now, many will be ready, BB, but answer na me ready no. Me person when in amoti as say ya pesa Ghana kosura, ebe to me akoso. Na ye pesa abo Ghana soa, ebe to me abono. If we continue putting people who don't understand the subject matter on TV and radio to discuss, they be on better than Crofo. Eja kwabena shede nyane anopa. Ekosha are you from Pruka? Are you from Tefreco TV? Ebo tie. Echo bi in the pocket. Eka ni trimu yommo. Ekofa tulemo ibi kakra di guni motuem. Eja otififre. Area yakwatena UTV said. Sabio Bank of Ghana records now woman the ama World Bank here no na wiase ni na enya no. Maya ni anu ni upon kroma there be almost your momo there be Bank of Ghana ne se waboka there be honorable Bank of Ghana so momo kan ti say no o so nje dey na apache Abbas Nuruddin ni wan Abbas Nuruddin Abbas Keta no yes we say na kano Ashanti region communicator ene ya pe baby di ashama no ntino ono Abbas Nuruddin no ono Abbas Nuruddin na beka say ya sebe omo amoka enti yenyi Bank of Ghana governor ni din shase and signature shase utie yenyi ono ne de na oka no mayenji anu ni finance minister na ono ne sign sika bi adema Ghana no mayenji ono de ni na mbom Sami Jamfi de ne yenji ndi me bebo video bi mebo say video no but mesremo obi aba say talk about the losses you made. Me pacho the losses you made in power cannot be accounted for as we speak. And next obi ahwe siama and so ha Bank of Ghana governor no. Tie de oya you me say Ghana for the year ye de mu bedi agrosa. Unim. Okay can some ni na area no say oh by the way I have to put on record that these are on audited figures. See how go him say March. Omo yes omo be publish no kra ni be daddy. Inti sa time no so be publish na kra na say e be daddy obeka so ka say it's an audited figure. Got losses. Anyway, as a matter of fact, let me do the reading. Me pacho Bank of Ghana, okay? Omo report 2024. Let's go inside. Domestic gold purchase program. Yankwe. Or say the role of gold as we crown my member video there be train out the train. Reserve asset has taken center stage following the global financial crisis, Central banks all over the world have been increasing their gold holding reserves. The Bank of Ghana launched the domestic gold purchase program on June 17, 2021. Yet, yetuminya erikopoku beka kire say a program wa na ewo ho free Adam nana. Na yen ba ye na chese yen ya besisa bibi. Me ken so sa erikopoku gold for one wine na reserve no okano. All those 8 tons of gold were bought with forex. Na mo de mu nimma, o de mo mo 31st in or say the Bank of Ghana launched in 2021, which was initially designed to purchase gold with Ghana cedis from with Ghana cedis from mining firms and aggregators as follows: buy refined gold from the mining, I know you one to the London bullion. No, 2, buy dog gold from the local gold and then aggregators for onward shipping to the London way for way certification. I fit here. They are not see me I should read in my fan to so crown will be and will be. Nijo, why are you say this is your own Bank of Ghana's UI. Yanko. In December 2022, the Gold for Oil program was initiated by the government as a temporary emergency intervention to address escalating prices of petroleum products, which surged averagely from 6.90 per liter in January 2022 to 22.8 per liter in December 2022. The Gold for Oil program was designed to leverage on the existing Bank of Ghana to support the importation of adequate quantities of petroleum products into Ghana at competitive prices. The policy aimed at reducing the country's reliance on US dollars for oil imports, thereby mitigating foreign exchange shortages and stabilizing the Ghanaian cedi. Inti say, Obekaya, your last engagement at the World Bank here, and the World Bank has predicted, say, by January, crown $1 and about 8 cedi. Say you keep the arrangement at your way. If we keep it on now, it will come to 8 cedis. Yankobio. Now, as at 31st December 2024, the Bank of Ghana had committed seed capital amounting 4.669 billion towards the Gold for Oil program. Notwithstanding this investment, the bank recorded a loss of 1.82 billion Ghana cedis on the Gold for Oil program for the financial year ended 31st December 2023. So it's for 24. Now 2023, the loss was not in billion, almost say 317 million. Now, let's play the video. Now, if you remember the other people, where's the video? Upon Chroma, take us to church. Munche Obio, we know Obian TB because this is where we are going to paint our whole discussion. Obia Obembe Mubian. This is because the Bank of Ghana governor Kasaba Bekase figures no about 2025 they are and do money figures no and no cry do money yet. Now 2024 figures or my and also no just numbers are audited and yet the final no into what basically they are telling you. They say in March brand also say you publish here you no crane better because I only to me chat through you now you chat there on about pon come am quick now for yanko your name. And look how Sammy Jenfi lied to somebody like Obi, and Obi believed it and was willing to defend, was coming to defend Sammy Jenfi. Monhe, Yanko.
Why would your inquiry limit itself to 2025? Knowing very well, say, this program has a history. And from 2022, according to official figures, again, Gold Board also published it, we've seen losses from 2020. In fact, they claim that in 2022, a volume of 0.76 metric tons of gold, valued at 43.96 million, from the gold purchase program.
Okay.
The reported losses, that was 74 million 2022.
74 million 2022.
24.87 tons. 791.82 million the value. Losses reported 2.15 billion.
2.15 billion.
2024, 45.3 tons. 3.12 billion value. Losses reported 4.84 billion. So why would anybody call them for an inquiry? With this history, that's what the gold board published. Almost source a Bank of Ghana. And you know, correct. Oh,
my influence to answer. One Obi. One Obi. So now you almost say published. Why did they buy a gold board? Gold board for us almost also near the Bank of Ghana. So an intelligent person like Obi has been tricked by that riff-raff called Sami Demfi and ne when ya sabi and pedi and ya kete pedas within a funo say be chatro the atwo no ana ban so amonu look clean will be the name. Or say 74 million was 2022. Or baby was 42 million in 2023. Just every year they will give 2.3 billion in 2023. And look at what Upon Chroma did to the learned OBNT. This will be our last say, then the panelists will come inside. With the sorry person with dinner watching. Yanko.
The Bank of Ghana document, no, I say.
And
that's my second thing I'm going to come to. My catcher said the first, I will show you say a for it. Proof said, oh, my highlighting you now. Presumption of regularity will favor. We're page 98. We're page 98 of Bank of Ghana. Said that the kind of mouse said document being my signature and chassis. Figures are both board for board. One said, look at Bank of Ghana document now. They are false. Maybe the two Mami retreat. Why? Why?
Muntio.
Abia you started a fair now, no more pumping. You can't deny even before bishops. To the extent said it took the fund to come in, halt them, and instruct Busumi be to announce. You can hear no can Ghana for you nada. Who knew that said they have pumped 10 billion from the Gold for Reserves program? And they have no credibility on this matter. That is why number two, when they started delaying the IMF reports, we had to then call for an inquiry. Remember, this IMF report, as I told you, the letter of intent was signed by the finance minister and the governor to the global investor community and the IMF. Then back home, the Bank of Ghana and Gold Board tell you who put your documents together as a whole. There's no loss no speculative statement. I'm telling you, but that is the matter of record. Say there's no loss. So somebody is being deceived. Is it the global investor community now buying that down? The IMF and the global investor community hold that down. And I know why I take back home and I'm buying that down. That is why we said you need the parliamentary inquiry to go in. Then they shifted from there's no loss to now saying, say, there may be a 240 million loss, but that loss is lower than loss previous years. Okay, yes. Intima year started. Also 2020.
Muntio. 2022, they claim there's a lot.
74 million Ghana cedis.
Kobe Krasini and this in Equasi, Debbie. I feel we yes, son. Kobe Krasini and what the why didn't say Wunsia, dear, Quasa Colimon Mensa, Calimon Mensa, Tia. The aya kind way, a Siama, and they are two force and son a chassis. Bank of Ghana records and your gold board records. And yet they are on near Modest Serrano, Sami Demfino, and yan records. Where your gold board sorry, Bank of Ghana and no gold board in this car. Emma Dico Dinijano, or no report no can into him. Be a sound quasi adjunimu. Namenyan send with them. Allow your head for book to enter. We are in 2026. We are expecting say some of these things, we'll be taking it serious. Now my guys say Modani BB, I have to defend. I did that way in me, Felix. It's not my figures. These are not NPP figures. These are NDC figures, and you still sit there and tell us I am evidence. Evidence, baby, you. And evidence, I want to say. Anyways, upon Kromako.
So gold motor value near just 43.96 million. And also 2023, 2023, a car buy now 2.15 billion Ghana cedis. 2022, yes. A car buy now 74 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So gold motor and value near just 43.96 million.
And also 2023,
2023 a car buy 2.15 billion Ghana cedis. From gold value no 791.82 million.
2020,
2024.
No, 2023.
Yes. 2.15 billion Ghana cedis.
My highlight the last figure now.
This is from the 2024 annual report and financial
which reports only 2023 and 2024.
Of course.
The Bank of Ghana.
Yeah.
Obi Anchebu. Mom online no. Hey, men bro. Ye. Mamunia bro. Me pa cho me the figures na chere they are way Obi kano. Me the chere I say for those of you. I say about 58 me ba. I say 2023 loss na ya he. Obo 70 bi me boy. Me pa cho I say 2029 2.3 billion. Me pa cho so hwa ha 2023 Bank of Ghana so say e ka ba ye no 317 million. Nti sa oh, these guys, everything is here. So I can't believe that these people decided said they will not learn. It's so sad. Okay. The Bank of Ghana recorded a loss of 1.82 billion Ghana cedis on the Good for Oil program for the financial year, which is 2024. And also 2023, 317 million. Young, come back to studio. Upon sorry. Upon Young,
At December 31st, 2024, the bank had committed seed capital amounting to 4.69 billion Ghana cedis towards the G4O program.
Gold for oil, yeah, gold for reserve, gold for oil.
The bank recorded a loss of 1.82 billion on the G4O program.
Gold for oil.
For the financial year ended 31st December 2024.
What I just read.
And also 2023, 0.32 billion.
If you compare, what figures?
Muntio,
Yeah.
how Sammy can feel like.
No, this is okay.
Yeah,
What time?
Yeah, I'm coming. Where 2024? 2024.
No. First 2023 figures. Starting with 2023.
0.32 billion.
Almost
2.15 billion.
I draw.
Ghana cedis.
I draw. Next one.
2024. A 4.84 billion. And a 1.82 billion. The interesting part is that we know a G4O, which is gold for oil.
From gold for reserve now, I must say yes, we are gold for reserve. Now, they are shipped to you. Some of them figures or DPA no, and your gold for reserve as no can be you. Now, or gold for oil. Again, giving false figures. Giving false figures, giving false figures to the public, including a journalist like Obi. And we have Colimon Mensa. So we end this near Najune Wu, Nitia Wu, into your baba bed, Abe supporto. I deal with you better that to your Bonaya Bemu because me person more online.